First question is, what is Node.js and how does it differ from other server-side technologies like Apache or PHP? Node.js is a runtime environment that allows you to run JavaScript on the server side, unlike the Apache or PHP. Node.js uses an event-driven, non-blocking I/O model, which make it efficient and suitable for real-time applications. The second question is, what is callback function in Node.js and why they are commonly used in asynchronous programming? A callback function in Node.js is a function passed as an argument to another function, which is executed after the completion of an asynchronous operation. They are commonly used to handle asynchronous operation without blocking the main thread. Third question is, what is the purpose of the package.json file in a Node.js project? Can you explain the key properties found in this file? The package.json file in a Node.js project holds the metadata about the project, including the dependencies, scripts, version, and other information. Key properties include name, version, scripts, dependencies, and develop dependencies. The fourth question is, explain the difference between the required and important statements in Node.js. When and why would you use one over the other? The required statement is used in the Node.js to import modules using the common JS syntax, while importing used for ES6 modules use require for older Node.js important for the modern ES6 syntax and new projects. And the fifth question is, what is the middleware in the context of Express.js? Can you give an example of how much would you use middleware in an Express application? Middleware in Express.js refers to functions that execute during the request response cycle. They can modify the request and response objects, and the requests are called the next middleware. Example is app.use body parser.json. The parser.json requires the bodies. And the sixth question is, what is RESTful API and how can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs. A RESTful API is an application interface that uses the HTTP request to get, post, put, and delete the data. Using Node.js and Express.js, you can create one by defining HTTP methods: get, post, put, delete. And the next question is, what is the purpose of Node Package Manager, shortly called as NPM, and how do you use it to manage dependencies in a Node.js project? The Node Package Manager, which is called NPM, is used to manage dependencies in a Node.js project. You use it to install, update, and install the packages via commands like npm install, npm update, npm uninstall. And the last question, why is it important to have the passwords in a web applications? It is important to have the passwords in a web application to securely store user passwords. Hashing ensures that even if the database is compromised, the actual password are not exposed, as hashes are difficult to reverse engineer.